If it says 90 days for holding elections, it is our duty to say that. It is not our choice. It is not our choice. It is our duty to say that. Instead of finding a reason why we should avoid to say that. This is what has happened. You call it controversy. I'm sorry. I'm not worthy of controversy. If you stand up for the Constitution and the law, then you must support the Supreme Court of Pakistan and not any individual. We have no existence individually. Our existence is as a unit, as a constitutional organ, that the Supreme Court, when it speaks on merit, its judgment has moral authority. That becomes even more important when those judgments are not appealed or no review is filed. Then that means no one has any objection to the judgment. If a review is filed, then it will be heard. So let's see what happens now. I'm optimistic that the people of Pakistan, the leaders of Pakistan, the institutions of Pakistan are all committed to the Constitution. The political leadership of Pakistan agreed to start negotiations, which have not ended yet. This is what we were informed. We have nothing to do with that. But at least they are conscious that they have a duty to comply the Constitution.
प्रोपोगेंडा किया जा रहा है, आप समझते हैं ये प्रोपोगेंडा है, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है सर। थोड़ा आराम से, ये आपके अगेंस्ट प्रोपोगेंडा किया जा रहा है, दैट्स नॉट गुड वे। तो ये कभी ऑडियो लीक, कभी ये प्रोपोगेंडा, कभी वो प्रोपोगेंडा।
आप समझते हैं कि आप उनकी हालात बिगड़ गए हैं, कुछ बेहतर किया जा सकता है? ये वो सामने ब्लॉक।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।